Unfair oil prices are a problem for unaware consumers and honest merchants. For example, gas was almost $10 a gallon in the United States at one gas station in 2022. GweiPump is a fairer price robotic gas pump using Chainlink Oracle price feeds. Polygon is a fast EVM chain that has Chainlink oracles. The MATIC USD price feed is used to know the USD equivalent to message.value on Polygon Mumbai testnet. Crude oil is supported on Ethereum mainnet but not Mumbai. To get crude oil on Mumbai, a Chainlink node requests a UNT value off-chain for crude oil, which is then stored into the GweiPump contract. CCIP should be able to bridge this data hopefully in the future as well. Chainlink Keepers will automatically update the contract's crude oil price if the contract has enough link to pay for the request fee, and it has been 24 hours since the last price update. A 0.3% fee is added to WTI over USD. Then divide by MATIC over USD to get WTI over MATIC. The 40 milliliter gas price is calculated based on a ratio compared to the milliliters in an oil barrel. Oil is pumped if the gas state is opened and message.value is big enough to pay for the oil price. The user can overpay in message.value and then be refunded in order to handle price volatility while the transaction is in the mempool waiting to be added to a block. After oil is bought, the oil pump will become closed and the user is refunded the price difference between message.value and the oil price if there is a difference. And then an oil bought event is emitted for the robotic pump to consume. The contract owner can make the pump state opened or closed at any point. VocKTails is a random drink mixer that uses Chainlink VRFv2 to determine random drinks. A Chainlink VRFv2 request is made for one random number. When the random number is received, it is converted to be a range from 1 to 3. 1 pours the left drink, 2 pours the right drink, and 3 mixes both drinks evenly. When the drink value is stored, a drink VRF event is emitted for the robotic pump to consume. GweiPump has been tested in Hardhat with 100% Solidity coverage. Golang is a fast language. Using Geth and Gobot libraries and Golang together creates a fast robotic system that communicates with the blockchain. BJTs are used as high power switches to protect GPIO pins for the control system. MOSFETs were not used since they generally require high voltage to turn on, and the Raspberry Pi 4 cannot drive 5 volts on its GPIO ports. Relay boards were not used since they have slow switching speed and have short lifespans. The following Raspberry Pi 4 pins are used for the control system. A TIP 120 Darlington transistor with a 300 ohm resistor at its base acts as a high power switch controlled by a GPIO pin. The peristaltic pump is controlled by a motor. The motor is powered by an external 12 volt voltage power supply. The motor has inductance with high currents flowing through it, so we need a flyback diode to protect against voltage spikes caused by the Faraday lens law. A Mumbai WebSocket secure quick node connection subscribes to GweiPump and VocKTails events. When an event is detected, the Golang GweiPump and VocKTails scripts will pump fluids based on events and states from the contracts. The front end is hosted on IPFS and Filecoin using Fleek with GitHub pages. Buy gas with MATIC on the GweiPump front end. Gas is pumped after the oil bought event. Request a random drink in VocKTails using Chainlink VRFv2. Check the Chainlink VRFv2 log to see the pending VRFv2 request. Pump the random drink when the drink VRF event is emitted. Here's the GweiPump Chainlink Keepers log. Crude oil was able to be automatically updated.